iPhone's way of handling alarm volume is confusing because if you're using the volume buttons to turn down the volume before bed, you're accidentally also lowering your alarm volume. To fix this, we can go to Settings, and from there navigate to Sounds and Haptics. You'll see a volume slider for your ringtone and alerts, and that same slider determines the loudness for not just the ringtone and alerts, but your alarms as well. The annoying part is that sometimes you're watching a video and want to turn down the volume without changing your alarm volume. And for that, you can use the Change with Buttons toggle. When you toggle it off, you can control video and music loudness by using the volume buttons, but it will not change your ringtone and alarm volume. So with the toggle off, I can turn the sound all the way down, and my alarm volume will not get affected by that. For some reason, Apple doesn't allow you to individually set the alarm volume inside the clock app, but if you use the sleep schedule feature, those alarms do actually have a separate volume slider. I can turn on the sleep schedule and then edit the schedule in the Health app. I'll set the preferred bedtime and wake-up time, and I can narrow it down to specific days of the week as well. There's an alarm option on the bottom, and here you'll get a volume slider for your alarm. One thing I noticed was that when I set this all up in the Health app, there's still no alarm activated when I go to my Clock app. Not sure if that's by design, but I recommend checking your Clock app and making sure the alarm is also active there. You can access the same alarm volume slider now directly within the Clock app, and when your alarm is active, it'll show up on top of the list here. And that's how you make your alarms louder. Click that like button down there if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.